sir. I am from HVS Public School. Today I am going to explain you about mixed cropping. Mixed cropping is something in which we grow two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land. It enhances the fertility of the soil and it also enables the farmer to maintain his livestock as well as fulfill his economic needs. Here we have used wheat, mustard and fenugreek crops. Here we have used wheat, mustard and fenugreek crops so that the soil fertility is maintained as well as the farmer can maintain his livestock. So we have used organic manure which consists of animal residues and neem leaves powder, so that it is a very modern method of technology which mostly all the farmers of India nowadays use. So it is also called as co-cultivation. Now someone may get it out that why can't we call it as crop rotation? Crop rotation is the same as mixed cropping, but we do it seasonally. If you do that continuously seasonally, you wear out of your soil. So mixed cropping is one of the best methods when compared to soil. So even if all this is done and the crops are not stored properly, then all the efforts of the farmer go waste. So we use warehouses, such type of warehouses in India to protect the seeds after the harvesting. In olden days, people used to have such thatched roof surfaces to maintain the temperature inside. But nowadays in cities we cannot find such thatched roof surfaces, so we use steel or aluminium to cover the roofs, which radiate the sun's temperature and maintain constant temperature inside. And in India, farmers use such type of gunny bags to store the grains. These warehouses has to be stored very properly and fumigated before the use, and also gunny bags has to be fumigated before the use. It should be completely covered. As you can see in this warehouse, everything is covered, but there is no door, so such type of biotic factors can affect. Other than biotic factors like rats and animal excreta, we also have temperature and humidity which may increase and cause if the temperature and humidity increases, it damages the crop. Therefore, the temperature should